Alright, we are now at the Weapons and Junk workshop. We got our damaged Zippo. We're gonna try and pry this insert out. Alright, let's go over here and put it in the clamp. This is as high as my tripod goes, so sorry if it's a bad angle. Alright, that should be in there. Alright, you can see it. I'm gonna try and pry this puppy out. It moved a little bit. And now it is not moving. I pulled the Zippo right out. Got it to come out a little bit. The hinge is literally about to fall off. See if we can get this in here. It's smashing the Zippo very easily. Maybe we'll just crush it in the clamp when we're done. Let's go underneath where the cam spring is and see if I can jam it out that way. Alright. This is not working. Okay. Well, I guess it's gonna stay in there. I really fucked up the chimney, and the cam spring I'm pretty sure is broke from doing that. And my camera batteries are dying, so I'm gonna replace those and then on to the next test we go. Alright guys, so on to the next test. Hopefully I don't have any safety glasses out here, so hopefully I don't get hurt, but it's sparking and the flywheel keeps getting stuck, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. This is not plugged in. Alright, here we go. Well now, if you own a Zippo, you know that your flywheel should not be that shiny. But it looks kind of cool. But now it doesn't spark at all. And that is burning hot. No, not burning hot. Just hot. And we just disintegrated. You can't, my camera probably won't pick it up, but we disintegrated the flint and half of the spacer. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can get the spring to come up. Let's see if we can kill the spacer. Holy cow, burning Zippo smells like straight up BO. Yeah, well, we made it. Hopefully, I'm gonna do my best for my camera to pick this up, but that's the spring in there. All that weird looking shit, that would be the spring. So if you know much about Zippos, or else watch my how to change a flint video, you have a spring that pushes up a little gold spacer, and then on top of the spacer is your flint, and your flint is what strikes it. The spacer is just a little piece of metal to help hold the flint, and we went right through the flint and right through that little piece of brass spacer, and that is the spring right there. So won't even shut. Let's move on to the next test. See you then. Okay, I was wrong about the spacer. We didn't grind through the spacer. It actually flipped up and is now, you can see it right there, it's on top of the wick, it's in the chimney. So, but we did grind through half of it, and then the spring is like under the flywheel shooting out into this chimney. So, we have my trusty little hammer here, and we're gonna see if we can get this insert to go back down. I'm sorry I'm not gonna have a close-up of this, but oh, I can wait, I can zoom in. I don't want to have anything fly off and damage my camera because I like making videos for you guys. Sweet. Sorry for the slow zoom. We need to focus. Come on. Focus. And I now have a blister on my finger from the flywheel burning me. Alright, that's about the best I'm going to be able to zoom in where you guys can still get a good focus. So, alright, here we go. I think the insert's back in. Let's take a look. Oh, there goes the lid. So, that's what a broken hinge looks like. Camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. Good as new. The insert's back in. Went all the way back in. So, let's beat it up with the hammer a little bit more. Gotta reposition my camera. Now we're gonna beat the crap out of it with a hammer. Alright, we're back. And you can't see that on frame. There's the Zippo. Hopefully nothing flies off and hits my dad's motorcycle. But let's finish this guy off. So, give you guys one last look at it. I'll try and make a little slideshow at the end of the video of pictures if I can. I gotta figure out how to work the computer. So, get these. Is that in frame? Yep, that's perfect. Give the top one little whack and then we'll go at the insert. I guess we'll do 2 whacks. Whoa! Cool. There's your rayon balls. They just kind of popped out of there like confetti. That is cool. Look at that nice little dent. Yes, sir. And they are soaked with water. Actually, wait, no, that's Zippo fluid. Yeah, that is Zippo fluid. Yeah, I filled it before I did this. So I guess the fluid stays in it, even if it's been lit on fire, frozen, and thrown in water. What should we say? 3 more whacks? That's still in frame. Alright. Here's our lid. And our Zippo. There you go. Zippo destruction test. Stay tuned for my little slideshow at the end of the video. Hopefully I made one. So, peace off and please subscribe.